Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step simplification of this maths problem by using the BODMAS rule, which dictates the correct order of operation. First we solve brackets. Small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket O. Stand for how we convert into multiplication. We solve roots and exponent. T stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step we solve innermost parenthesis. In this expression we have a small bracket 3 into multiply 1. So now in the bracket 3 multiply by 1 small bracket. Now we'll calculate, we get 3. According to this step, BODMAS rule state that innermost bracket must be solved first. And now the current expression becomes square bracket 216 divided by 9 plus 3 square bracket of plus 30. Move to next step. According to next step, we divide inside the square brackets. Now calculate 216 divided by 9. According, we'll get 24. According to this step, inside the square brackets, there is a division takes the priority over the addition. And now the current expression becomes square bracket 24 plus 3 square bracket of plus 30. Move to next step. According to next step, we complete the square brackets. Now calculate 24 plus 3. Addition will get 27. According to this step, you must completely solve all the terms inside the bracket to eliminate it. And now the current expression becomes 27 plus 30. Move to next step. According to next step, we just finally add the remaining digits. Now 27 plus 30 will get 57. And according to this step, addition is the final remaining operations to complete the expression, and 57, which is the final result. So now according to this expression, conclusions is by strictly following the BODMAS order of operations, inner brackets, then division inside the brackets, addition inside the brackets, finally outside addition. And the expression simplifies clearly to 57. And skipping these rules or performing addition before division would lead an incorrect result. So I hope that it will be clear to you. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.